Hello, I'm Dr. Parveen Malik, and today we are trying to understand the types of variable. There are five types of variable: independent variable, dependent variable, moderator variable, control variable, and intervening variable. Today we will discuss about moderator variable. What is moderator variable? We know that the independent variable affects the value of the dependent variable, and there has been a cause and effect relationship between the two. The variable that affect the cause and effect relationship of any two variables are called moderator variables. This means that the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable may be different in the presence of the moderator variable. Let's try to understand this concept with the help of an example. In the study of social problems of urban, rural, and semi urban students, the area will be independent variable and the social problem will be dependent variable. But here, if the researcher feels that the gender of the students can also influence the relationship between the student's area and the social problem, then gender will be considered as the moderator variable. There can be different moderator variables for a pair of independent and dependent variables. In such cases, the researcher has to decide which variable he wants to take as the moderator variable. The researcher has to be extra careful while selecting the moderator variable. If sincere and due care is not taken, important moderator variable will be ignored and useless variables will be selected. If the researcher does not want to examine the effect of the moderator variable, he controls it. Thank you very much for watching.